Hi, this is Mrs. Rodolfi, and I just wanted to go over some examples from Lesson 17, Solving Systems of Equations by Substitution and Graphing. So this first problem, we need to solve by substitution. So when you solve by substitution, you first want to choose one of these equations and make sure it's solved for one variable. So I want to look at which one's easiest. I see x is by itself in the sense that it doesn't have a coefficient next to it. It's in simplest form 1x. So I'm going to solve for x on that equation. So by itself. So all I would have to do is subtract 3y from both sides. X equals 1 minus 3y. Now where I would do the negative 3, but instead of x, I'm going to substitute 1 minus 3y. So that's for what x equals. Then I still have minus 3y equals negative 15. Now I need to use this color. Negative plus 9y minus 3y equals negative 15. Combine like terms. Now we need to isolate y, so first I need to see what I can add or subtract. Plus 3 to both sides. 6y equals negative 12. Divide by 6. Y equals negative 2. Now so I'm going to now substitute y equals negative 2. I think this first equation looks easier to solve, so I'm going to substitute for y. So x plus 3, but now instead of the y, I'm substituting negative 2. And then negative 6. Excuse me, add 6 to both sides, x equals 7. So now I have my two x and y values for my ordered pair. So the solution to this one is to both. Around your final answer, and always write as an ordered pair. We will go over elimination on Monday next week, so I'm going to skip that for now and post another video next week on that one. Solve by graphing. Y minus x plus b. So I'm going to convert first equation to slope-intercept form. I need to isolate y, so I need to add 2 to both sides. Y equals, these are not like terms, we cannot add them, so we need to keep them separate. I want to put my mx when we graph, always look at that constant, that's your y-intercept at 0, 2. So I go to 0, 2 on the graph. And then I want to represent it as rise over run. So I always put it over 1 if it's a whole number. Rise over run. So what this tells me is from my y-intercept here, I'm going down 4, right. Then I want to go the opposite direction from my point 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and then 1 left. 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1 left. Always use a ruler to connect your points. Make sure that all of your points line All right, now we have one line. Now we need to do the other line. So I need to also rearrange this equation, 3x minus 3y equals 9. I need to -3y equals, then I want to put my mx term first, -3x plus 9. In order to isolate we add 3, because if we added 3, we would have to keep the y with it, and we would add 3y, and then we would have nothing on the side. So when you want to keep that y there, you divide by the coefficient. Divided by -3 is -3. Now I can graph it. My y-intercept is my b value, which is 0, -3. So put a point on the y-axis at 0, -3. My slope is 1, right 1. So I'm going to go up 1, right 1. Connect my points. Your solution is 1, -2. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.